Hello my dear learners, welcome back. Today we would be continuing with exercise 2.1 from the chapter Permutations and Combinations, Basic Maths. Okay, so what is the fourth question ask us? So given to us is 5PR equal to 60. So this, let me start with the solution. We have the NPR formula. So what is that NPR formula? N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. So substituting the same formula in the RHS of the equation, so this can be written as 5 factorial divided by 5 minus R factorial, which is equal to 60. Okay, so now next what will I do? This 60 can be written as 60 divided by 1. So when I cross multiply or interchange the positions, this 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial divided by this value in the denominator, which is equal to 5 minus R factorial. Okay, yeah. Now, what will I do? I will start cancelling out the terms. Okay. So, after cancelling out the terms, okay. So, this I will get this as 3 ones are 10. So, 5 ones are 5 twos are this 2, 2. So, I will get my RHS as 2 is equal to 5 minus R factorial. Correct? Now what will I do? I will remove the bracket. Okay, so when I remove the bracket, here they are asking us to find the value of R. Here R and R factorial remains the same. Okay, it means the same. So it is just like we are finding the value of that particular variable. Now continuing with this problem, so when I expand the bracket, what will I get? I will get this as C. So now this can be written as 2 minus 5 is equal to R. Okay. Now R, this factorial value is not, if you write the value also, if you don't write the value also, it is one and the same. So therefore I can write R or R factorial. So therefore 3 is equal to my R value. So what have I done? I have just substituted in my permutations general formula. Yes, just condense the problem, solve it. Okay, condensed in the sense simplified it. Now coming to the fifth question. Now see, in how many ways can 5 letters be posted in 5 letter boxes? So there are 5 letters L1, L2, L3, L4, L5 and 5 letter boxes B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Now see what happens. Unless and until I know the proper address, it will go to the proper letter box, correct letter box. Okay. So if I don't know anything at all about the letter, so in that case, postman can put letter 1 in B2's box, letter 2 in B1's box, letter 3 in B3 only, letter 5 in B4, similarly letter 4 in B5. So therefore, each letter can be put in 5 different boxes, obviously in 5 different ways. So L1 can either be in B1 or in B2 or in B3 or in B4 or in B5. Likewise, L2 will be obviously in either B1, B2, B3, B4 or B5. Likewise, the same thing is applicable to L3, L4 and L5. So therefore, totally there are how many letters? 5 letters that has to be placed in 5 letter boxes. So therefore 5P5, correct? So NPN, what is the formula? N factorial. So this N factorial here is nothing but 5 factorial. So therefore you get 120 ways. One thing, my dear learners, what you have to keep in mind is, in all the permutation problems, no, if they have asked so and so, what is the value? how many letters, how many people can stand, how many people can sit. Okay, always don't forget to write so and so many ways. Okay, I hope this concept is clear, both of fifth and the fourth question. So please, my dear learners, if you're not understanding in any step for that matter, please pause the video, resume from wherever required, and then only proceed. Please understand the concept. Please be very sure of the concept and then only proceed. Okay, otherwise in your later topics or questions it becomes difficult. So one more important thing is in PU board basic maths or science maths, one thing I would like to make clear is everything, every single question will be from your textbook. Nothing will be from outside. Okay, either from exercise problems or from example problems. So if you are thorough with both, 100 is for sure. So as and when we proceed, no, I will tell you what are the different kind of questions that is mandatorily going to come, so on and so forth. So don't worry, I'll make basic maths really easy for you all. So until then, what you all should do, keep revising, keep practicing, keep making your concept strong. Until then, meet you all in the next video. Thank you all.